Welcome to our virtual grid garden again. Yes, you can see we've got a couple of carrots in our garden, and we want to make sure they get watered. Let's take a look at our garden. It's a grid with 5 even columns and 5 even rows. Our water is starting at grid column start position 2. That's 1 bar on the left and 2. That's where it starts, and when you specify the start position, it by default goes 1 more to the right. Okay, so we now want to say, where is this value going to end? Well, let's put in the end position here, and if we say end at position 1, then the water goes all the way to the leftmost bar. That's not quite what we want. If we go 2, well, the start and end position can't be the same, so that's just ignoring things. How about 3? Well, that's our default behavior, to go from the left and 1 more to the right. How about 4? That would work. 5, 6, 7. 7 doesn't really exist. There is no bar 7. 6 is the highest you can go. But what about negative numbers? Well, negative counts from the right, so -1, -2, -3, that would work. But here's what we need. We've got something else called a span. We specified the start position, and now we want to tell it to span a certain number of rows, or columns I should say. In this case, it spans 1 by default. How about we span 2, 3, 4, 5, well, 5's getting too far. 2 works. We're using just the right amount of water that we need to use to get our garden to grow. Oh yeah.